Hey guys, welcome to TechSole Blog YouTube channel. This is Rahul here, and today in this video we'll be seeing the quick introduction of the Oukitel's latest tablet, which is Oukitel OT5, that comes with a cool transparent rear camera module, and it also has some cool features as well. So let's get started.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
If you like the device, I have provided the link in the description below, and it is currently running under sale at a discount price of $180 for a limited period of time. So that's it in this video guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.